Hey there, in today's video, we'll walk you through the process of creating a multi-language store on Shopify. So, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Setting at the bottom left corner. Go to the Languages. Click on Add a Language. A pop-up window will appear in which you can select your preferred language. Once select your preferred language, click Add. Now you'll need to install a language app. Select Shopify Translate and Adapt app and click on Install to add it to your Shopify store. Once the app is installed, follow the app's instructions to configure the language settings. Choose Pages and Collections and click Auto Translate. This process will take some time to configure. Once you set up your language translator, go back to Languages in Setting. Click the three dots next to App It and click Publish. Confirm by clicking the Publish button. This app will automatically add a switcher on website, where customer can choose Translate Language. That's it. You've successfully created a multi-language store on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.